David here, Weekly Wheeler. Today is Friday 27th of July. This video going out at 5:34, so just after market close, looking at November contract 2018. We've got the yearly chart with monthly candles in front of us. We can identify this clearly as a trending market. We've gone massively up at the present moment. We've gone up £30 a tonne since we broke through the 106 level. We touched 190 briefly, and we backed off to 183.50. Just cast our eye back at 2007 when we had the same action here. We went up easily to hit £200 a tonne, or just shy of that on that occasion. But we had this stellar month here, similar to what we're getting at the moment. That was in August of 2007. Trending up, nice trend in place. We pulled back, I say, since the highs, but nothing to affect this long-term chart at the present moment. Pop down into the monthly chart. And we can see this big green stellar candle here, touching 190 and close at 183.50. We've got the month end coming on Tuesday of next week, and we've got an increase in volume there. So let's have a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart here, we can identify all the moving averages are up well above those. Yes, we backed off a little bit. We've got a big wick here on this candle here, but still green, still well above the close on the weekly basis, and an increase in the volume on a weekly basis. So let's pop down into the all important daily. We've got this on Pro Charts at the moment. This is my daily chart, which I'm looking at here. What I've looked at here, I can identify a clear pattern of breaking through a key level of the whole number. So if you look here quite clearly, back in early part of June, we were trying to break through 160, and my target was here 164. You can see that the market broke it up here, then came back 5 red candles here, and then broke back up above the short-term moving average, which is the 10 SMA, and then went up here. We've done the same again here through 170, briefly broke through it. That time we had 3 candles, red candles back. That, remember, first half of July. We then broke above it. We then cleared above it, closed above it, and we've had this stellar move up here to hit 190. Same, we've tested through the 190, didn't hold. We've now backed away. Now looking for, this was the second day today. We're now looking for Monday to see whether we get support. The last 3 times that we've had a retrace, it's been within the veins of a 5% retrace, so that's within time span. We didn't close below the 181 at the present moment, so looking for support to come in around this 180 level here. Where would my target still be? Up here at 197 to 200 pound a tonne. We are, I say, 180 comes in at 10% move on this swing low here, so that's all in place. Where would I see a change in this? My opinion on this trend at the moment. So if we really had a 10% fall, which would bring us down to 171, close below that would then begin to change this picture here, that we could have some massive consolidation within this sort of £20 a tonne range. But at the moment, this market had got overextended. You can see the size of these candles. These last 2 here, coming back, look at the ATR here, we were averaging £6 a tonne, just under £6 a tonne daily move, which when you think the average is normally £2.90, so double the daily range ATR. So the market had got overextended. It needed to pull back. Yes, we have got big red volume here on this candle here, showing a clear rejection. But if you look at the price action today, yes, we came down, we fell 2%, but we didn't go any lower, though we didn't close above the close. So it's sort of a cancel out day. If you see this wick at the bottom here now, we rejected the level of 181, and we rejected the level 190. So that tells me a sort of a neutral effect of this pullback. What we're looking for is a retracement day on Monday or Tuesday when the market comes down, tests 180, then goes back up out above the close, and we'll then look for a final push up to break back above the 190 to go and test the 200. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.